Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves sewing your own clothes or finding inspiration in timeless fashion patterns, then today's video is just for you. I'll be sharing 10 stunning Burda Style patterns from February 2025 that are perfect for women looking to combine elegance, comfort, and sophistication. These designs are modern, flattering, and versatile, ideal for elevating your wardrobe this season. Let's dive right into it. Our first pattern is the tailored trench dress. Think of this as a sleeveless twist on the classic trench coat. It's midi length, cinched at the waist with a belt, and features clean, sharp lapels that add structure and sophistication. This piece is perfect for those early spring days when you want something polished yet light. Style it with a fitted turtleneck or fine knit top underneath for cooler weather, or wear it on its own when the temperatures rise. Add heeled boots or classic pumps to elongate your figure. A neutral fabric like beige or camel gives it that timeless trench coat look, but you can also experiment with bold colors like olive green or navy for something unique. Next up, we have the Lux Wrap Blouse, a design that effortlessly blends comfort and femininity. This blouse features a soft V neckline and 3/4 length puffed sleeves, creating a look that's flattering for all body types. Wrap blouses are incredibly versatile because they define the waist beautifully without clinging to the body. Pair this blouse with high-waisted trousers or a sleek pencil skirt for a look that's both refined and modern. For fabrics, think silk crepe or satin for a polished drape, or a cotton blend for a more casual finish. It's the perfect top for both workwear and evening looks. Pattern number 3 is an absolute wardrobe staple, the soft wide leg pants. These trousers are high-waisted, with a smooth waistband and subtle front pleats that give them a tailored yet relaxed feel. Wide leg pants have a way of elongating the legs, making them a great option for women of all heights and body shapes. Style them with the wrap blouse I just mentioned, or a fitted knit top tucked in to highlight the waist. For footwear, go with pointed toe flats or block-heeled ankle boots to maintain balance. Choose flowing fabrics like a linen blend or lightweight wool for effortless movement. Next on the list is the Chic Longline vest. This sleeveless vest hits at mid-thigh and features sharp tailoring with deep pockets for a practical yet stylish finish. It's a fantastic layering piece for transitional seasons, as it adds structure to any outfit without feeling heavy. You can wear it over a lightweight turtleneck, a simple white blouse, or even a fitted dress for added dimension. A classic neutral like charcoal or beige works beautifully, but don't shy away from textured fabrics like tweed or a soft herringbone pattern for extra sophistication. Pattern number 5 is the relaxed shift dress with pockets, a wardrobe hero for women who love understated elegance. This knee-length dress features subtle princess seams that shape the body while keeping the look relaxed and comfortable. The hidden pockets are a practical bonus, making this dress perfect for daily wear. It's ideal for both casual and slightly dressier occasions. Pair it with loafers for a laid-back look or heeled ankle boots for a touch of polish. Linen or medium-weight cotton fabrics work best for this design, keeping it breathable and easy to move in. At number 6, we have the layered midi skirt, a romantic, flowy design with tiered layers that add beautiful movement. This skirt is a standout piece that's both feminine and versatile. Style it with a fitted sweater or a tucked-in blouse to balance out the flowy silhouette. For cooler days, add knee-high boots, and as the weather warms, switch to ballet flats or strappy sandals. This skirt works wonderfully in lightweight crepe or chiffon for maximum flow, but you could also try a soft cotton blend for a more structured finish. Number 7 brings us the modern utility jacket, a stylish and functional outer layer that's perfect for everyday wear. It features patch pockets, clean lines, and a cinched waist for added shape. This jacket combines practicality and elegance, making it a must-have for women who want effortless style. Pair it with jeans and ankle boots for an elevated casual look, or layer it over a dress for something unexpected. A cotton twill or soft denim fabric works beautifully for this design, offering both durability and comfort. Next is the pleated tunic top, a long and flowy design that's as comfortable as it is chic. It features soft pleats and an asymmetrical hemline, creating beautiful movement and visual interest. This tunic pairs perfectly with slim-fit pants or leggings, offering a balanced silhouette. Opt for silk blends for an elegant drape, or lightweight jersey for a relaxed vibe. It's a versatile top that works for both day and evening styling. Pattern number 9 is the statement sleeve midi dress. This design combines timeless structure with a modern twist, featuring voluminous bishop sleeves and a fitted waist. It's the perfect dress for special occasions, or when you simply want to feel elegant. To style this piece, choose minimal accessories to let the sleeves take center stage. Fabrics like satin or structured crepe will enhance the dress's polished look, while darker colors like plum or navy will add extra sophistication. And finally, we have the elegant cape coat, a true showstopper. This mid-length cape offers a timeless, sophisticated look with hidden closures for a clean, streamlined finish. It's perfect for layering over tailored outfits, dresses, or even casual ensembles. Choose wool or a luxurious cashmere blend for a rich, cozy feel. A cape coat in neutral tones like camel, gray, or black will ensure it remains a versatile piece in your wardrobe for years to come. So there you have it, 10 gorgeous Burda Style patterns for February 2025. These designs are perfect for adding elegance, comfort, and versatility to your wardrobe this season. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these patterns is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fashion inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.